washed up, don't want you believe it. Tough love, you take it or leave it. Washed up, don't want you believe it. Tough love, you take it or leave it.
Hello everyone, I'm getting ready because today's the day of the Chanel party I was telling you about. Oh my god, I'm so excited, I can't wait. I think it will be amazing. Chanel does the best parties, so I'm very excited. I'm getting ready. I'm freaking out a little bit because the weather is really bad. It's raining and I wanted to wear heels, but yeah, I'm not gonna wear heels. Looks like I'm not gonna wear heels, but anyway, I curled my hair. It all dropped because of the rain, but I also wanted to wear this in my hair, and I promised you I'll show you how I use a brooch, because this is a brooch. I didn't get the hair clip, so yeah, I promised I'll show you how I use a brooch as a hair clip. I have a little trick that I'll share with you. It's very simple and easy. You only need bobby pins. Alright, so let me show you what I do. So I'll take the top layer and put that away for a second. I need a hair clip. Okay, and then you might want to tease back your hair. If you want, you can add some hairspray. I don't add any hairspray, or dry shampoo actually will work really well as well. So I'm looking in the mirror, and then get one of your bobby pins and pin that. Then I take the other one, just so I make sure it's extra secure. I put it on top of the first one and kind of cross them so they're secure. Can you guys see? Okay, maybe this is a bit low. I should have put them a bit higher. This might not work from the first time, but trust me, it will work eventually. You might have to try a few times. You put the top layer so you can hide the bobby pins. You can put them on top, but I don't like them showing, so I normally put them. That's why I take the top layer and I hide them with the top layer of hair so they don't show. Let me see where they are. They're here. So try to pin the brooch through the bobby pin. This is like the trickiest part, but just try and pin the brooch through the bobby pins, and then you basically put the brooch on top of the bobby pins. Did it work? Let's see. Okay, et voila! It's secure. See how easy it is? Just use plain bobby pins and it is secure. It's not gonna slide. If you put the brooch like this in your hair without any bobby pins, it will just slide down. Unless you have very thick curly hair, it will slide down. But once you put bobby pins, it will stay secure and yeah, in place. So that's it. I really didn't think it would work from the first time, but it did. So this is le brooch used as a hair clip. Alright, so this is the final look for tonight's event. I'm happy with my makeup. So makeup's done, tick. Hair is done, tick tick. Outfit almost done. I haven't decided yet. I'm stressing out a little bit because I don't have much time left. I need to hurry up and leave the house, but I think I'm gonna leave this shirt on because I really like it. It's a crisp white shirt with this beautiful detail, and I'm wearing the white Chanel nail varnish. Everything will be linked down below. I'll show you my total look later on because I still haven't decided what to wear on top, and I haven't decided what shoes to wear. I have to still figure this out. So yeah, I'll guys see you at the event. Oh my god, it will be amazing. Very excited. Okay, see ya at Chanel. Alright, here we are, Chanel. Let's go to the party.
Washed up, don't want you believe it. Tough love, you take it or leave it. Washed up, don't want you believe it. Take it or leave it. You take it or leave it. Washed up, don't want to believe it. Tough love, you take it or leave it. Oh, baby, you're always on my mind. I've been thinking that we should be together. Oh, baby, you were always. Oh, baby, you were always.
Guys, I think I found my next ready-to-wear piece. I want this so badly, but it's £2,000. And look at this beautiful Gabrielle. How stunning. Here's in the background, having your cocktail. And I'm trying on this fabulous blazer. It is so nice. It's from the new collection.
Yeah, no, it looks nice. And look, maybe go turn around. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, actually it looks so cute with short hair. Hi. Actually it looks so nice, like with your hair this length.
Quick outfit of the night, I guess, not the day, not outfit of the day. Just show you what I'm wearing quickly. It was raining and miserable, so I put on flats and a plain outfit. Everyone's so dressed up. Guys, they gave us goodie bags. I'll show you what's inside in a bit. I think it's raining, so yeah, but oh my god guys, it was so much fun. Did you like it?
Absolutely lovely.
It was amazing.
It's recording now.
Alright guys, the party is over, finished, and I'll show you in a bit what they gave us. I think I already have the magazine, but there is a magazine and something else. I really enjoyed it, so you can still hear the music, it's very loud, so yeah, I'll speak to you when I get home, I guess. Don't they give perfumes? Yeah, sometimes they give perfumes, but I think this time they gave us something else.
Ooh, I'm excited. Wow.
I'm actually filming
you are filming me. You're cheating. Oh my god, that's a beautiful. It does look like the Chanel jewelry. What do you think it is?
It's not jewelry. I don't think it's jewelry. Shut the front door. That's a no way.
Guys, this is the jewelry pouch.
Is it really?
Oh my god, it is.
Shut up. What?
What is this?
Oh my god, what is this? Is it the Chanel lion?
It is a Chanel
A
brooch.
brooch. Oh my god.
Oh my god. That's incredible. I love the
Oh,
lion.
that's the Chanel lion. I'm speechless.
Oh my god, that's so nice.
Hello everyone. Oh my god, what an evening. I wish you could guys join me at the event because this was hands down the best event I've been to this year. It was amazing. It was so well organized. There was food, there were pictures, we were dancing, there was live music, and the DJ was so good. We were dancing. By the end of the evening everyone started dancing around the DJ, and my favorite part was when he started playing live, and oh my god, it was amazing. The cocktails were fabulous, the little bites were delicious, everything was amazing, and on top of all that, I couldn't believe when they gave us these huge goodie bags at the end. You kind of saw what's in the goodie bag, but there is actually more, so I wanted to come at the end of this video and show you what else is inside the bag, and yeah, tell you about the evening and how much fun we had. It was awesome. So let me quickly show you what is inside the goodie bags. I really didn't expect that. Chanel organizes these amazing, fabulous events every year, not very often actually. I wish they organized them more often. However, when they do one, they know how to do it. And I know that normally they would give like a new makeup launch. If they've launched a new product, they will give a new product like a lipstick or a perfume. But because it was like a boutique opening, the reopening of the Sloane Street boutique, I didn't think we would get anything. However, they surprised us with these huge goodie bags, and as you saw last night, Lauren already unboxed her one. So I want to quickly unbox my one as well. Let's see if it's the same. Imagine if mine is different. I actually met a friend at the event, and she messaged me later on that evening asking me if I got a goodie bag, and I was like, yes, of course. And she was so surprised as well. She was like, oh my god, did you see what it is? It's amazing. So I guess everyone got the same, but Laura was making me unbox my one ASAP because she was like, what if your one is empty? What if you got something else? So this is it. This is the beautiful Chanel brooch, lion brooch with the little CC. Can you guys see? It is so stunning. this I'll keep forever. It's such a nice memory to have, and it is so beautiful, it is so special. So thank you so much, Chanel. I doubt anyone's watching, but thank you so much, Chanel. That was very lovely. And then there was also a photo booth. Well, not really a photo booth, but they had like a setup where you can take pictures with a professional photographer, and they printed out the pictures. So I got two, and this is my favorite. I'm not gonna show you the other one because I don't like myself. I'm on my own on the other picture and I don't really like it, but I like this one with Laura, and I think I'm gonna frame it. So that's that one. And then also inside the goodie bag is this I've shown you. Actually, I have 3 of these, and we received the new fall winter catalog with pictures from the fall winter collection. I love these Chanel magazines, they are so beautiful and I collect them. Actually, one of you commented on one of my recent videos asking how I get these magazines, and unless you shop from Chanel, unless you spend a lot of money in Chanel, they won't send you a magazine. So you need to be a regular customer, and I have so many of these. I've been receiving these for years, but I've been shopping at Chanel for years, and I receive them when they launch a new collection, and all their magazines are so special and so beautiful, and I keep all of them. Maybe one day I'll show you in like a daily vlog. I'll show you some of my magazines. If you're interested, let me know. They're so beautiful and all of them are so unique. And yeah, so now I have 3 of these actually, and I wanted to give one away. I thought that would be a nice surprise for some of you. If you want one of these Chanel magazines, I'll just give it away because I have 3. One I received by post, then the other one we received at the event, and I got another one from my essay when I did my fall winter shopping. I have a vlog. If you haven't watched it, check it out. I'll link it up here. So I have 3 of these. I'm gonna give one to my mom. I'll keep one for myself because I collect them, and the 3rd one I decided to give away. So if you're interested and want it, just come follow me on my Instagram and leave me a comment, and my recent picture that I uploaded, I'll insert it here so you know which one. Just leave a comment saying something like, I don't know, Chanel with a heart emoji, and then I'll pick someone on my stories. So yeah, if you're interested, let me guys know on Instagram if you want the magazine. And hey Yoshi, hi Sleepy, hi. Thank you so much guys for watching and joining me to a fabulous evening with Chanel. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.